Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of Marquee Addons. Today we're going to show how can we add a media Marquee effect in our WordPress website. To add this Marquee effect we need two plugins, Marquee Addons and Marquee Addons Pro. I will add both plugin link in the video description. So let's get started. This is media Marquee. Just drop that in Elementor canvas. We can also search that in here, media, like media Marquee, it will appear. So here in media Marquee we can see there is media list, and we can increase and decrease each media item or duplicate. So there is two media types, one is image, another one video. So we'll show both media type options. Let's start with image. So when we select image media type, then there will add an option. Choose image. Let's choose an image from media. Okay. So you can see that it's showing, and we can also set resolution for this image. So right now I don't need that, and we can add also caption for image, like if I add here a caption, image, select it again and add attachment caption, and we can see this image is showing, this caption is showing, and we can add also custom URL for each media like this. You can paste your URL here. So right now I don't need that, and also don't need this caption option. And we can also add lazy load, and we can turn on actually lazy load. So when we add this option, it will boost our WordPress speed also. And another option is video, and in this video we can in video media type we can add too many video sources. For an example, there is video from, we can also share or host video from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or self-hosted video. So right now we can see there we have added YouTube video, and if we see that here it's Vimeo and Dailymotion. We can also add for and self-hosted video. For self-hosted video, you can upload video in your WordPress website and in your WordPress media, then you can choose that here. Also you can share a URL and just paste that URL here and save that. It will show also your hosted media. And start and end time, how it's work actually. Okay, let's jump. Okay, if our video is 1 minute and we want to start that video from 20 seconds to and end that in 50 seconds, this video will start from 20 and end will be 50. This is how actually start and end time works. And we can also add custom thumbnail for videos like this if we want add video. Okay, let's select one, choose Okay, choose this one. Okay, we can see that there is an option to add thumbnail for videos, and we can also add icon. We can choose icons from WordPress icon library or Elementor icon library, and we can also upload custom SVG icons here. So this is how actually image media type works and video media type works. And there is an option like caps. It's actually when we add more space between each items, so we can increase column spacing like this, and if we want top and bottom spacing, then we can add here like this. And this is an option, Marquee options, where we can add all our Marquee settings. And when we turn this off, Marquee not gonna work. So we must turn on this option to show infinity Marquee. And there is another option, show vertical. When we want to show our Marquee vertically, then we can also enable this option like this. And right now it's running bottom to top, and when we add reverse, it will run top to bottom. And there is an option pause and hover. By default it's on, and if we turn that off, it's not gonna work. Okay, so right now I don't need that vertical option. And there is another option, drag to scroll. Using this option, we can simply scroll left to right or right to left. This is how actually it's work. And there is also speed for Marquee items. So right now we don't need that. We can increase or decrease our Marquee speed like this. It's running faster than before. So right now I don't need that. 20 is perfect, I think. And there is an option, it's shadow. So we can see there is a shadow. So we can also add we can also add style to it on these shadow options. So we will show that in style options. So right now there is another option called Marquee on scroll. Okay, so to show this functionality I need to add space here or more content. Let's make it 500. Okay, sorry, add 500, and also here 500, 5000. So when we scroll down top to bottom and bottom to scroll, this is how actually a Marquee on scroll works. So in style tab we can, okay, right now I don't need that. Let's make it default. Okay, so in style tab make it turn off, and in style tab we can see that there is an option aspect ratio. So we can select aspect ratio as we need, and we can increase or decrease our item width from here, and we can add also border like this, border color, and also border radius 10. Yeah, we can see that. This is how border properties work for this media marquee. And there is an option box shadow. So you can see there is a shadow appeared, and we can also add that for hover. When we hover that, we can also add border color. Yeah. So, and also CSS filter like this. We can also add CSS filter, and this option also available in hover. So right now I'm not gonna add properties for hover, so make it default. And there is an option for caption. So previously we have seen that there is an option like caption. So we can also add caption alignment like this, caption color. And there is an option typography. We can increase or decrease typography from caption. And text shadow, we can also add shadow for this, and caption spacing, we can add spacing. And there is another option, play icon. So we can add color to it, and size for icon, and edge shadow. For edge shadow we can add color, and we can increase or decrease its size like this and make it blurry. This is how actually style tab works. And there is another thing, when we add vertical, then there will be an option vertical element. So you can run that left, center, and right. And also there will be an option section height. We can increase or decrease this option. So this is how actually media marquee works. Thanks for watching.